In this video, you'll learn how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online so you can create a clean, professional look that matches your business. By the end, you'll know how to customize your invoices to make them clear, consistent, and easy for customers to understand. First, open QuickBooks Online and go to the gear icon at the top right. This gear icon is your gateway to settings and customization. Click it to open the menu. Next, select Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your templates, including invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. You'll see a list of styles you've created, along with which one is currently set as your default. Then, find the invoice template you want to modify and click Edit. This opens the Invoice Editor. From here, you can control the look, the layout, and the message your customers see. Inside the editor, take a moment to explore the options. Use the Design section to add or update your logo, adjust colors to match your brand, and choose a clean, readable font. Small tweaks like spacing and alignment can make a big difference in how professional your invoice looks. In the Content area, review the header, the table, and the footer. Make sure your business details are accurate and easy to read. Turn on or off columns like quantity, rate, or SKU, depending on what your customers expect to see. You can rename labels to match your industry language, add custom fields for things like project names or purchase order numbers, and include helpful footer notes such as payment instructions or thank you messages. If you send invoices by email, check the Email Contents section. Update the subject line and message so your customers know what the invoice is for and how to pay. Clear communication here can reduce questions and help you get paid faster. As you adjust settings, watch the live preview to confirm everything looks right. Verify that currency, date format, and tax settings appear as intended. When you're satisfied, click Save or Done to apply your changes. Don't forget this step because saving ensures your updates appear on your next invoice. That's how you edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online and keep your business looking professional and consistent.